When you are building complex solutions with advanced permissions, you have to be sure that the right users get the right access levels. In SmartSuite, solution managers can view and interact with solutions through the eyes of different users. This is a great way to make sure that your permissions are set up correctly. Hi, my name is Artem, I am a product manager in SmartSuite, and in this video I will show you how this feature works. Well, first of all, you have to be a solution manager or an admin to be able to access solution menu. Next, you will look for the new View As option. And when you click it, you'll notice how solution enters this special mode where certain features like My Work or notifications disappear. But that's expected because in this mode we're only looking at what relates to this solution. The drop-down on the left displays the list of people who have access to this solution, and this is where I will be picking my avatar. Let me point out several things here. Each item in the list displays name, department, role, and permission. For example, looking at Peter, I can tell that he has general access role and viewer permission. So if I decide to view as Peter, I know exactly what to expect. Every record should be shown as read-only. Search/filter control. This thing is smart because it can actually search through multiple fields from member's profile. For example, I know that Peter is a consultant, so if I start typing in consultant, it will find me Peter's name. Another useful feature is display by, and it gives you several options how you can group the list of users. For example, you can choose department or type or anything else. And again, even when the list is grouped, you still can use search/filter to narrow it down further if you need to. Alright, now I'm going to pick Mary because she has this tricky assignee permission and I want to make sure that she can only view and edit records that are assigned to her. I click on her name, the page refreshes, and now I'm looking at this solution through Mary's beautiful eyes. And indeed, as we can tell, she can only see records that are assigned to her, and I will click through several tables just to make sure it works across the board. What about editing? Let's find out. I will modify this product price and change the priority. Works great, but here's what's important. Even though we're viewing as Mary, all changes that I have just made were recorded on my name, because we want real users to be protected so that nobody could perform action on their behalf. And once we're done, all I have to do is click on the X button and I will be taken back to my regular solution. I am sure this new feature will be of huge help when working with solution permissions. And it's available on any plan type. But guess what? You can't use the feature if you don't have SmartSuite Workspace. So please, grab a link below and start building with SmartSuite today. Cheers!